Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I'm giving you a tour of my Valentine's Home Tour 2023 from my entryway, great room, dining, and kitchen. It's a little bit late, but since I have a Valentine's Home Tour last year, so I would like to do a Valentine's Home Tour this year of 2023. Mostly items that I use here, I already have this on my stash. I believe I decorate some of this last 2 years ago in red because last year I did Tiffany blue on my Valentine's Home Tour. This year it's all about that traditional red. Alright everyone, here's my 2023 Valentine's Home Tour.
But it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get
Here everyone, I made my Valentine's tree, and at the bottom I have box that I thrifted there, and the Valentine's card came from Aunt Lisa. And right over here, all of the ornaments here, I already have this for a few years now because I did style Valentine's tree 2 years ago in red and pink, and I believe it was a little bit of powder blue. So I combine everything here, and you seen some other stuff here from my Tiffany blue. Those white hearts right there, I used that one on my Tiffany blue Valentine's tree. This year I have new addition on my pearl hearts because my mother-in-law gifted me a Valentine's heart during Christmas time, and I put that in this tree right here. Here in my kitchen, again, it is very simple, but I use fresh flower here from Trader's Joe. Actually, I did split the flowers here. I made a flower arrangement to my mother-in-law, and we gifted that to her yesterday on Valentine's Day because she bring us food for our Valentine's dinner. Right here in the kitchen, guys, all my mugs. Actually, I already have that for 2 years now. So everything what you seen in this Valentine's decorating, I did not spend money on it. The only thing that I spend here is for my flowers, my fresh flowers. As you can see over here, I'm still using those rose flower that I have in my tablescape for romantic Valentines. And it's still looking good, so I don't want to throw it away. And I just used this one in the Valentine store, and after that, I'm going to throw that away. Plates over here from Home Goods 2 years ago.
They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you
Alright everyone, I hope you enjoy the tour and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, be safe.